Hey guys, Brandon 6.7. I'm about to go to bed. The fire is sitting there smoldering. I'll just let that go out right now. Save the wood. Got my gun right here. As you can see, right before I go to bed, I'll put a piece of rope to the stock right here and tie it to my wrist. One of my subscribers told me to do it just in case something comes up and tries to take the gun from me, which is a good idea because you never know. Because I might be out here searching for skinwalkers, but there's all kinds of other kind of creatures out here looking, if you know what I mean. There's dogmen, Bigfoots. There's all kinds of stuff. Aliens. There's, there's all fucking kinds of stuff. So, searching for one creature, you might as well be searching for all of them. Because you might come across something you don't want to. But, that's just the way it goes. As you can see, I got my knife sitting here, gun. I don't want to show you all my stuff. Got extra knife. Got this light, as you can see, it's real bright. Got extra lighter. Got charging cord, and that's a laser. I got my vintage military light. I got the red color in, as you can see. I got pocket juice, fully charged. Got some spare batteries. One of my really bright flashlights. I got a torch, some Allen tools. Got a rechargeable flashlight. I got all kinds of shit in this bag. Yep, so I'll probably go ahead and go to bed. I might wait. If anything happens, I'll probably wake up and start filming. But if nothing happens, I'll probably wake up in the morning. Yes, sir. Stay tuned, guys.